Hello guys, in this video I will try just to give you general information about options with its calls and puts. It's just a general idea, but if you want more detailed information you can go to my training level 14, which is how to trade options, calls and puts. Okay, so an option, it is just a contract. It has a strike price and it has a time expiration. So why the people they use options? Because they don't first, most of the people use options, they don't have that much money. If you have 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 3,000 and you can't buy stocks, you can do options. But options is very risky. It's not like the stocks. Now let's give you an example. Let's say the stock is $20 and if you want to buy this $2,000, you don't want to risk $2,000 and put it in the market. You find the option contract, you find it with $100. It means you control $2,000 with just using $100. But this $100 is at risk. Okay? If the stock is against you, it goes down and you buy what you call a call, you will lose money. Okay? But when you lose, you don't lose 1% or 2%. You can lose 20, 30, 50% of your money of that $100. Okay? So it's not the same. When the price of the option goes up, it doesn't go the same. For example, a stock goes $1, it doesn't mean that your options or your option contract goes with $1. There are a lot of calculations and I'm not going to explain calculations in that matter. Okay, so if you think the stock will go up, you buy what we call a call option contract. Now let's say you think that the stock is going down and you think it will continue to go down. Instead of shorting the stock, which is has more risk, and you are scared of shorting the stock because you are a beginner and you don't want to stay that much, okay? So what you should do, you can buy what we call a put option contract. A put, it means that you think that the stock will go down. Now, understand that this money is little money and there is a big risk. So don't try to use all your money with options. The problem is, let's say you have $5,000. Let's say you buy mini contracts with this $5,000 all in one stock, and maybe the stock is at the earning dates and you think that the stock, it might go up too high, so you can make a lot of money. Maybe you can double your money. From $5,000 you can get $10,000. Okay, this is what you think. Let's say things go wrong and the company announces that the quarter was bad. According to what the analysts say, the information from the company is bad. So what will happen? Instead of having gap up, you double your money, then you have a gap down. What does it mean? You will lose maybe 4,000, maybe 4,500, and what is left is nearly nothing. Okay? So try to understand that options has more risk. It's not because you put $100 that you think that you are not putting 2,000. Okay? Because in In options, you don't own something. Now, if you buy a stock, for example, you own the shares that you bought. You own them. It's yours. It's from the company, but you own them. You can keep them for 10 years, 20 years. It's yours. But in options, there is a time limit. Okay, you can see this time limit there, the expiration date. So the more it goes to expiration date, the more it loses time value. Okay, and price value also. So if you want to get initiated to options, although it is risky, but if you don't risk too much, let's say you buy only one contract and try yourself. Okay, you can use my training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener, and you can buy option with the stocks that you find after the selection also. Okay, you can just, because you think that the stocks will go up, so if you buy a contract, you might have some profit. But don't be greedy, because understand that this money that you put, it can be lost, all of it. In stocks, it's impossible that you lose all your money, even if the gap down or something. But we have this problem maybe when the company gets bankrupt. Yes, in this situation, yes. But this doesn't happen for thousands of companies. It rarely happens, and you can see the chart that the company is losing money, so you understand that it is in danger. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you get interested into the training level 14, you just go there and you try to order it and try to study it. If you have a question, just comment here or ask questions. Thank you very much and have a nice day.